We are pleased to show you the 2023 Durango. The Durango allows you and your family to travel in style and comfort. It offers more interior room than most midsize SUVs and has an available third row of seating. Underneath are sturdy body-on-frame mechanicals and the option for a powerful V8 engine. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, alloy wheels, power liftgate, remote keyless entry, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes, front license plate bracket, electronic stability control, power sunroof. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.